Hello dear learners, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today with another interesting and informative video in which we will discuss the MOT, Molecular Orbital Theory in chemistry. So first, why did MOT comes after VBT? The answer is that the MOT molecular orbital theory was developed after VBT because it provided a more comprehensive and accurate model of bonding, molecular stability, magnetism, and electron delocalizations, which are not explained by VBT. So that is the need MOT was developed. Next, we will discuss the main postulates of molecular orbital theory. First postulates: atomic orbital combination. In the MOT molecular orbital theory explained that atomic orbital of similar energy and symmetry combine to form molecular orbital. That is the first postulate of MOT. That is the atomic orbital having the same energy and have the same symmetry will to form molecular orbital, and they have the same energy and the same symmetry. That is, same energy means they have comparatively same energy level, that is 1s and 1s. Or second postulate: formation of bonding and anti-bonding orbital. When two atomic orbital combine, they form bonding molecular orbital. And there are two: first the bonding molecular orbital and the second is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Molecular orbital lower energy and increase the stability, and anti-bonding molecular orbital have higher energy and decrease the stability. Next postulates number 3, number of molecular orbital. We know that the number of molecular orbital are formed equal to the number of atomic orbital. So the number of atomic orbitals which are participating in the formation of molecular orbital have the equal number of they form the equal number of molecular orbital, that is 2 atomic orbital form 2 molecular orbital. Next postulates number 4, electron filling rules. In MOT, electron filled molecular orbital following the Aufbau principle, that is, fill low energy orbital first. Also obey the Pauli exclusion principle, that is, each orbital can hold a maximum of 2 electrons with opposite spin. That is, in each orbital they have opposite spin. And Horn's rule says that electron occupied in degenerate orbital singly before pairing. If the available orbitals are present, then first the electron fill singly, and after filling the available orbital they paired up according to the Hoffa principle and Pauli exclusion principle. Next postulate number 5, bond order calculation. Bond order determines molecular stability and is calculated as, and the bond order is equal to the number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital minus the number of bond electron in the anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2, where Nb is the number of electron in bonding orbital and Na is the number of electron in the anti-bonding orbital. Next postulates number 6, magnetic properties. MOT in MOT molecules with unpaired electron, that is unpaired electron, are the paramagnetic, that is oxygen molecule have two unpaired electron in their molecular orbital, so oxygen are the paramagnetic in nature. Molecule with only paired electron are diamagnetic, and the molecule having paired electron in the orbital, they are diamagnetic in nature. That is the example of nitrogen molecule. Postulates number 7, delocalization of electron. Electrons in molecular orbital are spread across the entire molecules rather than being localized between the two atoms. Mean to say, the electrons in the molecular orbital spread across entire the molecule, and these electrons are not bounded or not localized with any two atoms in the molecule. See the energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. As a electronic configuration of O2 molecule according to the MOT or using the MOT, that is sigma 2s square, sigma star 2s square, sigma 2py and pi 2p 4 and pi star 2p 2. This is the electronic configuration by using the MOT theory, and we see that in the sigma 2s there are two electrons which are in pair. Sigma star have two electrons, pi 2p x and 2py have two pair of electron. Similarly, sigma 2p y have pair electron and pi star 2p have two unpaired electron in this O2 molecule. So the two unpaired electron in pi star 2p orbital explain the oxygen is a paramagnetic or paramagnetism properties. Here you can see that in this structure 1s and 1s are of two atomic orbital of oxygen atom combine or form the two molecular orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital is sigma 1s and anti-bonding molecular orbital is sigma star 1s. Similarly, when 2p atomic orbital participating in the formation of molecular orbital, then from two sides of oxygen atom participate in the formation of molecular orbitals. That is here the sigma 2pz, pi 2px and pi 2py, and here is the sigma star 2pz, pi star 2px and pi star 2py, and these two pi star 2px and pi star 2py have the two unpaired electron in these two. So in these two anti-bonding molecular orbital have the property to make the O2 molecule as a paramagnetic. So the two unpaired electron in pi star 2px and 2py orbital explain the oxygen is a paramagnetic or paramagnetism behavior. Now the bond order. Bond order is equal to the number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital minus the number of electron in the anti-bonding molecular orbital divided by 2. So we calculate the bond order of O2 molecule by this formula. So in the number of electron in the bonding molecular orbital are 8 and number of electron in the anti-bonding molecular orbital are 4. That is 2 from 1s and 1 electron from pi star 2py and 2pz. That is the 4 electron, and we calculate these. So we get bond order is 2, which means oxygen is a double bond. So the bond order tells the number of covalent bond in a molecule. So here is the bond order is 2. So the number of covalent bond in O2 molecule is 2. That is O2 molecule have 2 double bond which join 2 oxygen atom. The presence of 2 unpaired electron in the pi star orbital explain that oxygen is a paramagnetic in nature. That's for all today, the learner. If you have any query, please do write me in my comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows so we can grow each other. Thanks for watching.